Alright guys, I need some advice. I've got this, this is my dust collection closet you're looking at, and the hole above the door is for the air return that when I was doing the shop build, several people said that I needed a return back into the shop. My question to you is, number one, do I need this air return? Number two, what kind of filter configuration do I need? Do I need a pre-filter and then a filter that catches fine dust, or just one filter would be enough? I mean, what do you think? Leave me a comment below as to what you would do or what I should do. So I'll give you a little update on the birdhouse build. Haven't seen a single bird. Alright, another question. I got this glaze from the big box store. I'm working on this headboard project that I'm really dragging my feet on. I need to wrap it up. But what I did first, I spray painted black on this headboard, went back, sanded it off, and left some black paint on it, thinking that once I stain, that the black paint would show through, giving an antique feel. Well, I talked to a friend of mine that said the glaze would work better, stain first, glaze second, but I've never used it, so I don't know how to apply it. This is the stain I'm going to be using. But my question is, have any of you used this glaze? Did you like it? How did it apply? You know, just leave me a comment as to what you thought about this if you've used this.